How you doing, guys? Dragonman here. I'm at my 100-yard range and handgun range, and it's another beautiful day in Colorado Springs. So follow me down here. It's going to be 50 degrees today and tomorrow. If you guys want to come out, it only costs $12 all day to use the shooting range, cash, and there's no caliber restriction. See, they're shooting all kinds of firearms over there. And we got the 100-yard range divided into 150 feet to 300 feet. How you doing? Nobody would even.
Really?
This is the handgun section up here. And here's one of my range officers. His name is Craig. How you doing, Craig? How you doing? Say hello. Hey, everybody.
Thank you.
We have a ceasefire every 15 minutes. We make sure all the firearms are unloaded, and then we put the red flag up, and everybody walks out at the same time, changes the target, they come back, they don't touch their firearms, they stand in the back of their...
Ceasefire, please. Ceasefire. With muzzles pointed down, range at all times. I need all actions open. Bolt back. Cylinders open on revolvers. Slides back on pumps. Levers open on lever guns. If you have a semi-automatic, pistol, or rifle, the magazine is out. The action lock
going
open.
back.
If you have a holstered firearm, that needs to come out of the holster, placed on the table unless you're law enforcement. Law enforcement may continue to carry. Once you have safely opened, emptied, cleared your weapon, place it on the table in front of you, muzzle down, range at all times, then please step back from the shooting area so I can see that you're ready.
Hey, Craig, I just want to test one of my full autos.
Okay.
Okay, this is a Glock Model 17 I just converted to full auto, 9mm, and it shoots a rate of 600 bullets a minute. Yahoo! What do you guys think about this? Huh? You guys want to see this gun in front of your house? You give me a bad check. Yeah, I'm a little rough with my customers. Everybody having a good time? Yeah. All right, thanks a lot for coming out. Okay, we're open tomorrow too. The more money you bring, the more fun you're going to have. No money, no fun. Have a great day.
Everybody back away from the tables, please. Looks good. Stand by.
Okay.